little bit of a blister. Here's the first layer of branches. Get an idea how big that is. Now I've got some fence panels that I'm going to throw on top of here and hopefully squish this all the way down so it's like perfectly flat. And then I got a whole nother layer of branches and weeds that got to go on top of that. Hey guys, welcome back. You're watching the #1 home improvement YouTube channel in the entire world. This is a great project. I had a ton of fun building it. It was extremely labor intensive, blood, sweat. I didn't cry or anything, but almost. This is going to be a multi-part series. I couldn't put it all in one. It'd probably be an hour-and-a-half long video. If you've got questions, put them down below or hit me up on Patreon. Patreon link will be in the top of the description. Give you an idea what I'm working with. All this has to come out, replace this chain link fence. So just chipping away. It's actually going pretty good. I'm gonna have to make a rolling gate, so stay tuned for that. I think I'm gonna get that Wild Badger Power chainsaw and start going, chopping all these off right here, because that's all that's growing out this way and that way. Thing is, I gotta be very careful not to get into the chain link fence. So normally I'd be using my DeWalt chainsaw, but it's out of commission for right now. I'm gonna see if I can cut these trees down with this Wild Badger Power mini chainsaw. If you guys are in the home services industry like I am, you're looking for a way to get an edge. Me and lots of other contractors and home service providers are using an app called Jobber. I'll put a link in the description. It gets you 20% off for your first 6 months. I describe Jobber as a business management app. You use it from your phone and your computer. A useful feature that I just started using is the notification that gets sent out to the customer when you are on your way to their house. It's going to eliminate the problem when we assume the customer knows that we're coming, but it's all automated inside the Jobber app. Jobber is becoming the standard that customers expect. Most of the guys in my area are using it. So a lot of my customers are very familiar with the platform as far as receiving pricing, receiving progress payments, and also paying through Jobber. I'll put that link down in the description. It's 20% off for your first 6 months. So there's a very good chance I'm going to reuse this old guy's design idea for the rolling gate that goes here. This is his gate.
And there used to be a wheel on it, on the top and the bottom. You can see how this used to have a wheel there without a tire, and it rolled on that top edge there. Same thing with the bottom, but I'm going to flip it to the inside so that the gate rolls on the inside of the new fence and not the outside. Who knows what the idea was, but he's got this mesh that goes down into the ground. I wonder if they had like little tiny dogs or something. That's crazy. It's completely grown into there, right straight through the middle. So here's the plan. Here's this old sidewalk basically, and I need to pour this out maybe 6 inches beyond this fence line, maybe just a few inches. So I'm slowly going along with a shovel, inch by inch. I got to get all these stumps out. There's a stump there, there's an old stump right there, and obviously there's that big bush right there. Going pretty good so far. Surprising. I thought this was going to be much harder than it is. A little bit of a blister. Now the reason I cut that top part off is so I could see better, so I can dig around it better. See how far that thing's spread out. I still need to get this out of here because I gotta have a gate that rolls through here, and I'm gonna be pouring concrete right here. I'll tell you what, satisfying, very satisfying. So this here is, you're gonna come out and I'll put another 8-footer in its place. Got a string line from post to post. This one here I'm gonna pull out. It's just a hair off. Not that big of a deal, but I gotta cut. You gotta shovel all this out. I've been digging and digging and digging, trying to get down to the original grade level, and I found the old wheel for this old rolling gate. Found another thing that's pretty interesting. So as I'm digging along, I'm thinking, how the heck did they get cars and vehicles in here with this post? Keep in mind, this is a old rolling gate here, and I'm rebuilding the whole area. There is 50 years of leaves built up here that decay and make this nasty smelling dirt. But down here you can see that this post comes out of a sleeve. This sleeve is concreted into the ground, and you can pull that post out so that you can pull vehicles in.
So even though this video was only like 11 minutes long, that took me like 2 days to get all those bushes out, everything loaded into the dump trailer, taken to the dump. Like I said, it was a really, really fun project. In the next video, I purchased an entire pallet of 80-pound bags of concrete, and I turn into a concrete worker. I got to get that old post out. I got to get the forms built, all the concrete mixed and poured. Make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube channel so you don't miss that video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.